Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about a real-time scenario based SQL question. Here you can see this is our bill details table. 23 rows are there. So bill date, bill number, category, sales, quantity and purchase type. So purchase type, there are two types of purchase type. Okay, AB plus plus, AB minus minus. So AB plus plus means the shirt is purchased, the product is purchased, and minus minus means that product is being returned. Okay, so here you can see trouser is being returned, here you can see jeans is being returned. Okay, so the question is, bill date wise, how many bills of trousers are there, how many bills of trousers are there are being sold every day. Okay, where we should not count the return type, the if the bill is being returned we should not count on that. Okay, so I think you understood the question. So how to answer this? Okay, so what we'll do, so I'll select what the columns we need. Select bill date, I need bill date wise, so bill date I need, bill number I need. Okay, bill number, category I need, and purchase type. Okay, then I have conditions, right? So AB plus plus means it is sold, AB minus minus means it is returned. So I need all those trousers which are being sold, not the returned. I need the bill number, count of bill number of those trousers. Okay, so here I need a case statement, right? Case when category equals to trouser and purchase type equals to AB plus plus. So purchase type equals to AB plus plus. Then I need 1 when category, same thing I will write, when category equals to trouser and purchase type equals to AB minus minus. Okay, then 0 and as trouser in bill. Okay, so and from where I am taking, from this table. Okay, so if I run this, what will be the result? Let's see. So here you can see wherever it is trouser and purchase type, it is becoming 0. Okay, here you can see purchase type, category is trouser but purchase type is AB plus plus, then it is showing 1 like this. 3rd of October, trouser AB plus plus 1. Same thing, 3rd of October, trouser AB minus minus, that is 0. Okay, now I need this count, right? How many bills are there? Okay, so I will put this in a table. And what are the things we need? Select bill date I need, bill date, bill number I need. Now I need sum of, so when case when this thing trouser in bill, when trouser in bill greater than 0, that means when the trouser in bill equals to 1, okay, greater than 0, then I need 1, else I need 0. And as trouser in bill, okay. Now I will put this table as name A, okay. Now from this table I need bill date wise, right? I need bill date wise what are the how many bills are there. So obviously I have to do group by bill date comma bill number, okay. So if I run this, what is the problem? I need to set from. So if I run this, so here you can see, all the bill dates are 0, but 2nd of October, okay, that is 1 bill are there is a trouser, and 3rd of October there is 2 bills are there in a trouser. But there is a catch. Here you can see in the table, so if I see only 2nd and 3rd October data, okay, 2nd and 3rd October, so trouser is there and B++, that's why it is 1, okay. But the 3rd October, here you can see there are, this is single bill, this is 2 bills but same bill, right? So in this bill trouser is there, quantity is 2, but in a single bill there are trouser but the quantity is different, okay. It can happen, right? So that's why when I am running this, here you can see, when I am running this, in this bill date of 3rd of October, it is showing 2 bills are there, but originally it is 1, right? Here you can see originally 3rd of October, in a single bill sales are different, quantity are different, and both is purchased. So how to remove this? So I need a distinct, right? So here I will do select distinct bill number, okay. So I need distinct bill number at first. So if I run this, here you can see, in the 3rd of October also there is 1 bill where trouser is there, okay, and that is purchased. So in our table, here you can see 3rd of October, there are same bill is 1 that is purchased and another bill is returned, that's why it is showing 1, okay. So like this kind of things are there in real-time scenario based problem in SQL. So I think